everybody, and once again, welcome to yet another zodiac reading of this series for your zodiac sign. So, this one applies to you if you are born under the sun sign of Capricorn, which means if your birthday falls between 21st December to 21st January. And if you are born under the earth sign of Capricorn, it's highly likely that you just had your birthday or you're going to have it in the next few days. So, for all Capricorns, wishing you a very happy Capricorn time or a birthday month. If your birthday was done, belated happy birthday. If your birthday is today, very happy birthday. And if your birthday is yet to come, a very happy birthday in advance. And to keep in terms with the earthiness of this gorgeous sign, the reason I'm saying this gorgeous sign is because I think Capricorns are one of those amazing people who have a lot of perseverance, a lot of patience, and irrespective of the supposedly cold exterior they put out, they are one of the most amazing people. And these are the people who, if you're close to them, they will fiercely protect you, they will love you from the bottom of their heart. And although they might not show it as often as maybe a Leo or a Cancerian or probably any other sign, but I think these are one of those people who will really genuinely love you a lot and will care a lot for you. These are also people who are fond of fitness, staying fit, exercises, working out. They form one of the best athletes and sportsmen in the world. Also, you rarely see a poor Capricorn because being an earth sign, they are always grounded. They are always connected to their abundance. They work extremely hard and they don't give up. The goat treks all the way up to the hill, at the top of the hill, and doesn't give up. So these are one of the most, these are the people who are simply wonderful, who are, you can say, these are the people who believe a lot in success. So without wasting more time, let us go into the reading. So yes, there are three card sets here. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And here we have chosen the Crystal Angel Oracle card deck, being an earth sign, and Angels of Abundance, because as I said, you rarely see a Capricorn who is poor or who is not abundant. They're always blessed with a lot of abundance. So all you Capricornians, there are 3 sets of cards here. Of course, I've used a traditional tarot and then these 2 decks. So just take a deep breath, exhale, and choose one of the 3 stacks. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. The one which you're guided to comes first, so just use it. And without second guessing, without analyzing more, just choose whichever stack you are drawn to. And let us look at the first. If you've chosen stack number 1, what are the cards for you? So I'm first going to go with the tarot, and then I'm going to go with. So the first card is 9 of Cups. I love this card because this card talks about an emotionally fulfilling experience. So probably you have recently encountered some emotionally fulfilling experience. It could be a healing which has come to fruition. It may be something which you might have got materially. For example, you might have moved into a new house, or you have got some beautiful thing which is not just rewarding you financially but also emotionally. There is a lot of food and party and a lot of amazing things which have come up for you. And your angels are telling you to be yourself. So you got the card of authenticity, which means the more authentic you are, you don't need to put a mask. It's safe for you to be completely yourself. Okay, now we are not talking about the COVID masks, okay? So please wear the COVID protection masks on a serious note. The mask where we are talking about is a mask of fakeness, which we don't need to put. We just have to be our own self. And I see a lot of throat chakra and crown chakra and solar plexus healing in your case. The crystal which has come up is fluorite, and you are being asked to totally be yourself, because being totally yourself, unapologetically you, will help you um, create your power impact. And the next card is detox your friendships, which means your abundance flow is being affected by the people with whom you're spending time. Now, by being yourself, by being authentically you, once you start stating clear boundaries, a lot of toxic people will automatically leave your life, and you will be blessed with only those people who like to see you grow, who like to see you succeed. So, whenever you are looking at associations, friendships, always look at someone um, who loves to see you grow, who loves to see you happy. So choose to be with people who are supportive, who are inspiring, and who are likely to see the best in you. So recently you have got something amazing, and to see more amazing coming up, be authentically you, and also make sure that when you're being authentically you, you are creating good boundaries for you and honoring only those friendships and relationships which are good for you. Okay, so as I said, this card guidance is for you from your birthday till your next birthday. That is, whether your birthday happened in December 2021 or in December 2020 or January 2021. This is valid till your next birthday. Okay, let us see the next stack. So that was if you chose stack number 1. If you chose stack number 2, wow, what a beautiful card. So the stars are on your side. Maybe you had a past few days or weeks or months or maybe years of hard work, but now all that is getting paid off. You are balancing your decisions by both using your heart, which is the emotions, and your head, which is being grounded. Capricorns are usually known to take decisions from their head, but there are some decisions which you're taking, balancing everything, and the stars are turning out in your favor, so it's a good time for you. Please know that you are always being spiritually protected by the spiritual realm. You are being watched over, and there are angels, there are these divine beings who are with you no matter what. Okay, now this card says that have the courage to ask for and accept help. So I know many Capricorns they don't ask for help. They consider that it's not good to ask for help, it makes them weak. But no, ask for help to the universe. So you can say a simple prayer by saying, Dear universe, please send me supportive people and helpful people so that they can support what I want to achieve in life, what I want to experience, what I want to manifest. Now, what will happen is when you will ask the universe to support you, the universe will support you in the form of helpful people. So have the courage to ask and know that your angels are helping you. Asking help is always a sign of strength because it is about help being offered to you. And when you're praying, God intervenes. So ask God to work through the other people, and once that happens, you will see how amazing things will turn out to be. So that was for your second stack. And finally, stack number 3. Let's see what it is. Okay, so probably in the last few months, you have really battled some difficult situations. Some things were really difficult for you, maybe at work. A lot of heated arguments might have happened. Things just might not have been, as good as you thought. Or also, it also implies that there could be something which you're building up, which you are making things happen, but there is a lot of obstacles which is happening in that. But your angels ask you to have confidence in whatever you're doing. So the card says self-confidence through God confidence. So believe in yourself, believe in whatever you're doing is being done for your highest good, and believe that God is working with you. And this card is so beautiful, there is a lot of this flame energy which is happening. So I see a few of you are also connected to the violet flame of Saint Germain. And the card says power of prayer. So whatever situation is being difficult, as you know, you are being, you are working through God. So give this situation to God. The power of prayer says that When you give a situation to God for uplifting and healing, God creates new pathways where you saw there were walls before. And just be open to miracles. So understand that there is unlimited abundance for you. God will give you guidance, God will give you abundance. You just have to ask and pray. So, the power of prayer says that when you pray, you receive. Ask and you shall receive. So, whichever power you believe in, whether it is God, whether it is angels, keep your prayers on and see how beautiful this all thing turns out to be. So, here is some amazing guidance for my amazing Capricorn friends. And as I said, I chose angels of abundance because Capricorns always manifest a lot of abundance. So here is wishing you a very happy, abundant, prosperous new year and a very happy birthday. I hope you have some great celebration time with friends and family. What I like about Capricorn birthdays is they also have the birthdays around the new year, which makes them have double celebration. So I hope you're having a great time as the sun starts moving towards north. If you're like me living in the northern hemisphere, more sunnier days are coming to us. And if you're living in the southern hemisphere, the sun is moving down south, opening up winter and autumn times for you. So wherever you are on earth, stay blessed. I'm sending you lots of love. For more and to book an individual reading with me, you can drop an email on ashwini.chube@unicorninsight.com. We do personalized tarot reading, angel card reading, angelic healing sessions and a lot more. To know more, log on to www.unicorninsight.com. And if this video helps you, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you're watching us on social media, do not forget to follow us and share it with all that you know. This is Ashwini Chube. Thank you very much for watching and lots of love to all my Capricorns. Thank you. Bye.